In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the right front window switch in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. You need to remove this bezel right here. Use a trim tool, just get underneath here, pop up here, and pop up there. This should come up and slide it out. The two clips just stayed in. We'll have to take those out and transfer them over. You can disconnect the connector, push down on the tab, and it slides right off. We're going to take these two screws out. I'm going to use a T20 socket. Take those out. And just grab the switch, lift it up, and it slides off the bezel. Take the window switch. You can see where there is a little tab on the front. You want to slide that in place. And we'll take the screws, get the screws started. Tighten those down. We're going to remove the clips first. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Pull these out. These are going to go right here. Slide that in place. Do the same with this one. Just like that. Those look good. Now connect the connector, line that up, lock it down, slide the top part of the bezel in, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.